He's already made a mess. There's a new customer. Have no idea where he came from. He ended up at a state park. Shout out to Scott Frazier with Georgia DNR, who went over and picked him up and met me with him. He's definitely not imprinted. I'm hoping, I'm wondering if he might have boo-booed his left leg a little bit. Sometimes it's a little splayed out. He could have like sprained it or something when he bailed out of his nest or was pushed out or whatever. But I'm gonna see if he'll take some food. I do the cut up. This is a small rat that I cut up. He's small, he's young, and you don't want to be feeding casting material, you know, which is the fur on mice and feathers on birds and stuff like that. You don't want to feed them to the little ones because they're growing at such an exponential rate, and you don't want to fill up their tummies with stuff that doesn't provide any nutritional benefit. So that's why it's important to skin the food. Come on, buddy. Just gotta get him going. You get him going and then they'll take off. Come on, buddy, swallow it. I call all my barn owls no, because they shake their heads. There he goes, there he goes. Oh, thank you, thank you. Here we go. Make such a production of it. I'll just leave this here for a little bit. Make sure he sees it. It's right here. It'll be a whole lot better if he could just come pick it up rather than me stress him out by jamming it in him. The cram and jam, I call it. All right, buddy, I'll check on you in a little bit.